Hello again, everyone. The markets are making big moves when you know your technicals. Making winning trade after winning trade on days like today becomes easy. We picked up GoPro early in the breakout right here at the support. The key is buying stocks at the right time. When you know your technicals and know when to execute, again, making winning trade after winning trade becomes easy. We made huge gains on this trade in just a few short days. It's just that easy. I have a stock right now that's about to break out just like GoPro did. And getting in now would be getting in early. And when you sign up with the risk-free trial, that's right, it's risk-free to become a member and receive the next winning stock picks that will make you a fortune over the next couple of weeks. It doesn't get any better than this. And here it is. Break it to the upside and we'll be headed much higher, trading at just $55 and headed to over $80, which will be gains of almost 50%. If you're looking to make 50% a trade, look no further and sign up right now with your risk-free trial and get the technical trades that will make you a fortune. Become a professional trader by signing up right now and learning the secrets that traders have used for years to multiply their accounts. That's right, multiply. Sign up now with your risk-free trial and trade with the pros. Watch your account multiply in value by making winning trade after winning trade. It's just that easy. Sign up right now